Hello all, welcome back to EduArise. We come off on different subject and we meet different personalities. Today we have one such personality who is going to enlighten all of us. She is the fitness coach Mrs. Poonam Acharya. She has worked in the fitness field since 16 years. She is expert in weight loss and medical issues. She is founder of Healthy Packs, Diet Tiffin at Your Doorsteps. She is Skill India trainer for Nasik. She is soon launching her own protein brand, that's Per Pro. She has covered over 15,000 plus clients. She has done fitness shows more than 7,000. She has won 40 awards at different state and national level. Welcome, ma'am, to EduArise platform.
Thank you for calling me in this show. It's a pleasure being with you, Shilpa. And talking about my journey, I've completed my 16 years in this fitness field, and being in this fitness field was like I had dreamt about I will be in sports, otherwise I'll be in fashion designing because I was passionate about that. काफ़ी लोगों का ऐसे होता है कि शादी के बाद करियर ख़त्म हो जाता है, बट इन माई केस इट वॉज आई बिगिन माई करियर आफ्टर माई मैरिज. So I started working in a gym after my marriage. I used to work for 3-4 hours and धीरे धीरे फिटनेस में मेरा इंटरेस्ट बढ़ता गया. I became passionate about that. After that I worked in another gym for near about 6 years, and after that, after 4 years I shifted to an international gym. So in that gym I was head trainer of ladies section. So like this I started my fitness career. So 10 years I worked with different kinds of gym. I experienced with many people. काफ़ी medical issues वाले लोग आते थे. People were coming for fitness, people were coming for weight loss, people were coming for toning. So ऐसे अलग अलग लोग जो 10 साल में मुझे मिले हैं, उससे मुझे काफ़ी सीखने को मिला. Like if someone is in front of me, I know what she wants now. So I can read the people. उनको देख के अभी समझ में आता है कि she is having any medical issue, she is in something depression, she needs body toning. So वो एक समझ में आता है because I have handled so much clients, and that is because working in gym. After that I decided why should not we bring our own brand in market. So why not we can come with a brand like Poonam Acharya's Fit Station. So I but उतना तब daring नहीं था कि people will come to me personally. So what I did, I worked in a gym for 4 hours, and then I started partially working for my batch, but I didn't left my gym. So शाम की batch start की मैंने. So where to take that batch? Studio कहाँ पे? Like where can I take it? So I asked many people जो gym में थे, but I didn't get a proper place. So I started my first batch in a Samaj Mandir.
Oh,
Yeah. So it was like I started with I think 3 people.
okay.
So started with that one batch. It went properly. After that 3 पे से वो 8 लोग हो गए. After that it became 10. So थोड़ा थोड़ा confidence I gained from that batch. Then I started with my second batch, evening batch. So 4 hours I was working there. I started with this second batch. शाम को 2 batches मेरे चल रहे थे. Even that worked well. And one thing was that I wanted something different kind of workout. Like people go in gym, people use machine, people use dumbbells. So ये मुझे नहीं चाहिए था. I just wanted कि कुछ तो भी अलग चाहिए जो लोग मेरे पास आए. So I started with a body weight workout. So people now are knowing me by that कि अच्छा पूनम आचार्य के पास जाना है. She is not having any equipments. So I added different kinds of workout. People started getting result. People started sorting their medical problems. So धीरे धीरे mouth to mouth वो publicity होती गई. Then I thought now we'll need to have a studio. There is a well designed studio now. And one more thing I would like to mention that the workout which I take is not repeated for 38 days. So the variations which I'm taking, it's a body weight workout, but it's not repeated for 30.
Wonderful journey, ma'am, covering 16 years and so many of the things in that. Further, ma'am, what is the secret of your success so far? What picked you, what kept you going, and you did it with the whole blast?
The secret, I think, is I didn't dream that I would be such a successful person after 16. मतलब जब मैंने मेरा work start किया था, I was just passionate about the results. The person who is coming to me should be satisfied. So I try to give my 200% to the person who comes to me. So I think that is hard work, your passion, and dedication.
You got success eventually, but how was the struggle phase? Like, it took a long time for you to start your own studio. So how do you define the struggle phase and how to face our struggles?
Okay, the struggle phase was like काफी struggle करके ही लोग आगे जाते हैं. And I think there should be a struggle in your life. Otherwise, you'll not reach to that point which you want. So struggle, first of all, it was like when I started with my own studio, my child was 1 year old. I was doing double job. I was in a gym. I was handling my evening batches, and it was quite difficult because he was just 1 year old. Second thing, when we start our own venture, there is a pressure on you. We have to, when you are working in some sector, like you are working in a gym, it is a different thing. But when you are having your own venture, it becomes a responsibility. So it was a kind of responsibility, pressure of my child, pressure of gym clients. So it was kind of pressure on me. So, but I think that pressure was, I would like to say, it was a key of success.
Okay.
So you should have some pressure of work, like नहीं मुझे आज ये करना है, कल मुझे जाके ये करना है. Because of that thing, I started planning. And struggle is the thing. I think struggle सभी को करना पड़ता है. जो खुद को, if you have to stand out, you have to struggle. I think सचिन तेंदुलकर को भी struggle करना पड़ा है, अमिताभ बच्चन को भी, जितने भी बड़े legends हैं उनको सबको struggle करना पड़ा है. It's not that you are having success easily. So struggle, I think, is must for everyone.
So a wonderful breakthrough on struggle, that is, it gives you pressure and you perform with more responsibility. That is the output of struggle. Lastly, ma'am, what advice you will like to give to all our audience related to fitness, related to success, and related to achieving whatever you want to achieve in your life?
Tell our viewers that fitness is the thing which is not done for 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months. So it is your lifestyle. You have to follow it in your daily routine. जैसे हम उठ के brush करते हैं, we have our dinner, we have our lunch. It is a routine. So please follow it in a daily routine. Like, it can be your lifestyle. It should be your lifestyle rather. Because as we see, now we have seen the pandemic situation, nothing comes with us. Na आपकी wealth आपके साथ आती है, na relatives are not with us. So it is only your health which comes with you. So I think giving 30-40 minutes and a proper healthy diet, it will make you really healthy and happier.
Thank you, ma'am, for coming on this platform and then enlightening all our audience with wonderful thoughts on struggle, on achieving what you want in your life, that is goals, and lastly, fitness.
Thank you so much.
Thank you all. If you like our content, please do read it. The entire blog on the same at www.eduarise.com. Thank you. Stay tuned to EduArise.